Kia ora, my cuzzies. It's me, Buster Cuz, back at it again on another amazing adventure. Today, I'm in the Marakai, and I'm gonna plant some herbs. Yeah, hoake tātou. First, I dig some holes. Perfect. Now, I plant the basil. Now, I plant the coriander. Snug as a bug in a rug. Now water from my jug. Perfect. Oh, all of this planting kai has made me hungry. To the lunchbox. Oh, made it. All right, let's have some lunch. Hold on. Look at my hands. They're very, 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 very paru. I'm gonna have to wash them first before I eat. To the sink! Made it. Time to wash my hands. Ooh, let's do it. Step 1, grab some soap. Yep. 2, kia ora. Step 2, wash your hands. Rub that together. A little bit more water. Perfect. Make sure you scrub all between your fingers, back of your fingers. Scrub that. Hey, we've got to remember to conserve the water. Turn the water off in the middle. Alrighty, here we go. And then look, all clean. Back to the lunchbox. Whoa, hey, today's been amazing. I've planted some kai in the garden, I've washed my hands, and I've got some kai to eat right now. Oh, this day couldn't get any better. Hang on a second. To the moon. Ka kite anō, whānau.